Boxing is a high-intensity sport that involves a series of challenging exercises. It's rightly labeled as one of the toughest and most potentially hazardous sports, but it also offers numerous health benefits. In this discussion, I will highlight the physical changes that may occur when you take up boxing. Stick around to the end. It promises to be enlightening. Let's dive in. There are some pros and cons of boxing. These days, boxing and its various forms are becoming increasingly available to a broader audience. The era when boxing training was solely for those aiming for competitive matches is behind us. Engaging in a variety of boxing exercises can yield significant health benefits, such as enhanced stamina and improved heart and lung function. However, it's vital to acknowledge the associated risks. During sparring sessions, participants can inflict injuries that may have serious long-term health implications. Regular impacts to the head in particular can lead to complications for the nervous system later in life. Therefore, sparring should always be conducted with the guidance of a qualified coach. For those hesitant about the possible downsides to their looks and well-being, focusing on non-contact boxing activities, where punches are directed at a punching bag, can be a safer alternative. There are specialized training programs for individuals who wish to improve their fitness without pursuing a professional boxing career. These sessions often take place in well-equipped, appealing gyms and emphasize safety with protective gear. A diverse coaching approach is highly beneficial, allowing individuals to develop strength and agility while minimizing injury risks. Here are several health advantages you can expect from consistent boxing workouts. It decreased risk of heart disease. Boxing combines both aerobic and anaerobic exercises. The aerobic element emphasizes cardiovascular exertion, enhancing blood circulation to muscles and lungs while releasing endorphins. This kind of aerobic activity not only aids weight loss, but also lowers the chances of cardiovascular issues and other chronic diseases. Boxing training typically consists of a diverse range of activities, including jumping rope, circuit training, and running, all of which provide excellent cardiovascular conditioning. If you're new to boxing or fitness overall, it's essential to avoid jumping into intense sessions. Consulting with a trainer can help establish a comfortable and effective training regimen. Helps in joint health maintenance. As we age, our joints naturally weaken, increasing the likelihood of pain and fractures both during exercise and in daily life. It's wise to proactively address these concerns through physical activity. Basic boxing exercises tone and strengthen both your arms and legs, contributing positively to joint health. Enhanced coordination. Another advantage of boxing is improved coordination. During workouts, you will not only need to learn swift movements, but also maintain awareness of your punches and their connection with the punching bag. Don't let the fear of injury deter you from trying boxing. Injuries can happen in any physical activity, even ones considered low impact, like yoga. You won't be thrown into a competitive ring right away. Initially, you will practice with a punching bag and work on coordination through various drills. Also helps in muscle development. Are traditional gym workouts not yielding the desired results? Consider trying boxing. This sport offers a comprehensive workout for your entire body, your arms, legs, back, core, and glutes. A regimen that includes jumping, squats, punches, and kicks can deliver visible results in a relatively short period. You can effectively enhance your muscle tone and attain a lean physique without the necessity of additional weights. Boxing can burn between 400 to 700 calories each hour, depending on the intensity and nature of the exercises. Very beneficial for fat loss. While the degree of fat loss varies based on workout intensity and type, the blend of cardiovascular and strength training in boxing undeniably contributes to weight reduction and a more toned appearance. Moreover, intense activities like boxing can accelerate your metabolism. Increased endurance and stamina. Boxing fortifies muscles and elevates cardiovascular health, leading to overall enhanced endurance. With time, you will find other forms of physical activity become easier to manage, allowing your heart and lungs to efficiently circulate blood and oxygen to your muscles. This improved functionality means you can sustain effort longer without fatigue, and your breathing will become easier, even during extended walks or runs. Helpful in stress relief. Research shows that aerobic exercises, including boxing, enhance mood, boost sleep quality, and raise self-esteem. One of boxing's most valuable offerings, aside from physical fitness, is its capability to reduce stress. You can release anger and negative feelings during your training sessions on the punching bag or in the ring. Physical activity triggers serotonin release in the brain, promoting happiness. So, whenever you feel overwhelmed or down, get ready to hit the gym or go for a run. There's no need to aspire to be a professional boxer to reap the benefits of this sport. Engaging in sparring and various training activities can quickly help you get in shape and maintain your fitness. After a hectic day, venting frustrations in the ring or during workouts is an excellent outlet. By the way, be sure to check out other videos on this channel. The links are displayed on your screen right now. Looking forward to seeing you soon.